The power steering idler tensioner pulley on the old 720 here got so loose that the bushing was flopping around and it was smacking into the mount bracket and sparking every now and again when I tightened her up. And when I called the old parts house, they says that there's not one of these available to be manufactured or sold anywhere, so I can't get one. So I ran down to the old machine shop and they were able to take the bearing out of the old unit and press that bearing into this new pulley here. And this pulley is Napa part number 38038. That's Napa part number 38038. I believe there's also a similar Gates product available, but I haven't tested it. It could just be the same thing in a different box. Anyways, we're going to fit this on and see how she goes. The first step is to take your 14mm and loosen up the front nut on the pulley here. Don't take it all the way off, just break it loose before you release the tension on the belt. Now you're going to take your 12mm, loosen the long bolt on the top here. And be careful with these units have a tendency to get stuck. If it is stuck, make sure you do not tap on the top here, but tap down on the back. Tap down on the back here with a hammer or a screwdriver and a hammer. Right back down there, so you don't snap off this, because if you snap on the bolt, tap on the bolt head, you'll just snap it right there. So just loosen that guy up until your pulleys. Once you've slipped the belt off, go ahead and take the nut the rest of the way off the front, and be careful not to drop the washer off. It may be necessary to include some washers on the back to get the fitment right on this unit. Then just snug down your 14mm nut. Go ahead and tension that belt back up. All right, there she is, working good, nice and quiet. No squeaks or anything. Burning good. I got the unit all on there and she's working good. No squeaks, no weird noises, no sparks, so we'll call that a day. That's it, Napa part number 38038. Again, Napa part number 38038. Now the washers that I stuck on there look suspiciously like Honda drain plug washers for an ATV or a four-wheeler or whatnot, but I'm sure that's purely coincidental. But I might consider upgrading those units later as they seem rather soft. Now stick around for more Datsun 720 content, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.